Wasn't for the money, cars and movie stars and jewels and all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me?
Won't you?
Would you still be calling me?
Still calling you?
You'll be loving me?
I'll be loving you.
Gonna keep you blind and no. Pivot ain't easy, trust me, I know. But gangsters and hoes go together like chinchilla in bad weather. I'm good, but been better. Cheddar and glam stain.
Southside, we gon' set this party off right. Westside, we gon' set this party off right. Man, I promise. She's so self-conscious, she has no idea what she doing in college. That major that she majored in don't make no money, but she won't drop out, her parents will look at her funny. Now, tell me that ain't insecure. The concept of school seems so secure. Sophomore 3 years, ain't picked a career. She like, fuck it, I'll just stay down her and do it. Cause that's enough money to buy her a few pairs of new ears. Cause her baby daddy don't really care. She's so precious, with the peer pressure. Couldn't afford a car, so she named her daughter Alexis. Yeah, hair so long that it looked like weave. Then she cut it off.